FlytBase, drone deploy partner to enable autonomous drone operations and reality capture. FlytBase and DroneDeploy have jointly declared a strategic partnership which may reshape the landscape of autonomous drone operations and reality capture. This integration brings together the strengths of both platforms, allowing users to effortlessly automate end-to-end workflows. FlytBase customers and partners will now have the capability to automatically load captured data into DroneDeploy, allowing them to generate highly accurate 3D maps. Up until now, the drone software landscape has been quite fragmented, with platforms focusing on different aspects of drone operations, be it fleet management, flight operations, or specialized data analysis for specific industries. Enterprises and system integrators have been looking for a unified solution that can comprehensively manage their docked drone operations and accurately map their assets. The need for an all-in-one solution was clear, and that's precisely what we aim to offer through our partnership with DroneDeploy, said Nitin Gupta, founder and CEO of FlytBase. Incorporating beyond visual line of sight, blows, components, such as parachutes, detect and avoid systems, uncrewed traffic management, and weather systems, FlytBase ensures that drone operations are both reliable and secure. FlytBase has facilitated customers and partners in obtaining BLOS certifications from top aviation authorities in 10 countries, including the FAA in the United States, EASA in Europe, CASA in Australia, SACA in South Africa, CAB in Japan, and COM in Malaysia. The platform goes beyond basic mission planning, offering advanced features like dynamic route planning and customized flight workflows, all designed to align with regulatory standards. The platform is hardware agnostic, supporting a wide range of drones and docking stations. FlytBase prioritizes data security by adhering to leading data protection standards. The platform is ISO 27001, SOC 2 Type 2 certified, and GDPR compliant. The data captured in FlytBase can be easily synced and uploaded to DroneDeploy's platform, where it is automatically processed into highly detailed 3D models and maps. DroneDeploy, a market leader in aerial and ground-based reality capture, assists customers in 190 countries in capturing an instant understanding of their operations through drone, robotics, and 360 camera data. Over 400 million acres and 2.2 million sites have been mapped to date from 9.4 million flights. From inception, DroneDeploy has worked to make reality capture as easy and automated as possible for users. DroneDeploy provides the important technology for operators to gain an instant view of data, no matter how it is captured, and is the only platform that connects people to job sites across the entire asset lifecycle. From aerial and ground views of construction progress to automated gauge readings and methane leak detection, DroneDeploy reduces the need for time-consuming manual inspections, helping to mitigate risk and keep field teams safe. Partnering with FlytBase will provide our customers with a centralized way to capture, process, view, and analyze their data, providing businesses with the insights they need to operate more efficiently, said Andy Pavletish, Group Product Manager at DroneDeploy.